If we have a proton concentration of 1.0 times 10 to the negative 3 molar, what is the pH going to be? In order to find this, we have to know what the conversion between H plus concentration and pH is. Our pH is equal to the negative log of our H plus concentration. So to solve this first problem, to get our pH, we would have to do the negative log of 1.0 times 10 to the negative 3. This gives us a pH value of 3. Let's apply it to a second problem. We have 2.5 times 10 to the negative 5th molar for our H plus concentration. What's the pH? We're going to do the exact same strategy. Our pH is equal to the negative log of 2.5 times 10 to the negative 5th. And that will give us a pH value of 4.6. Let's try one more. We have an H plus concentration of 4 times 10 to the negative 6th molar. What is the pH? Again, our pH is simply the negative log of 4 times 10 to the negative 6th. And that will give us a pH of 5.4. What if we had to go in reverse? We would just do the reverse of the negative log. If we wanted to get the H plus concentration, it is going to be 10 to the negative pH power. If we look at our original equation, which was pH equals negative log of H plus, if we want to get H plus by itself, we have to essentially cancel out the negative log on the right side. Since this is a log base 10, that's where we get the 10th power. And the way you read it is the log base to the power of whatever's on the other side of the equal sign by itself, and then accounting for any coefficients, in this case it's that negative or negative 1, is going to be equal to whatever is inside the log. So that's how we derive H plus being equal to 10 to the negative pH. So if we apply it into this first circumstance where we have a pH of 5, we can just write the H plus as being 10 to the negative 5th. And that gives us a 1 times 10 to the negative 5th molar concentration. Let's do another one like this. If we have a pH of 2.37, what is the proton concentration? Again, we know it's going to be 10 to the negative pH power, so 10 to the negative 2.37 power. That will give us 4.27 times 10 to the negative 3. Let's look at one more. If we have a pH of 11.42, now we have a basic pH. We're going to do 10 to the negative 11.42, and that's going to give us 3.8 times 10 to the negative 12 molar as our proton concentration. If you want to see more general chemistry videos, the playlist should be on your screen now. Thank you for watching.